Old newspapers can become something surprisingly beautiful. Roll, weave, and transform them into a useful decorative basket. Instead of tossing that empty shampoo bottle, transform it into a handy bathroom organizer. Turn an old wooden crate into a charming side table. A little sanding and creativity can completely transform it. Don't throw away that empty jar. With a little rope and creativity, you can turn it into beautiful and useful storage. Before you throw away an old t-shirt, turn it into a reusable shopping bag. It's simple, practical, and helps reduce waste. Here's an easy way to upgrade an ordinary cardboard box. Cover it with decorative paper and you've got stylish storage for almost anything. Give an empty plastic bottle a second life by turning it into a beautiful hanging planter. An old picture frame doesn't belong in the trash. Add a little mesh and turn it into a beautiful jewelry organizer. Give them a new purpose by turning them into cozy covers for your plant pots. Which upcycling hack would you try first? Save